Number 8. Cesaro Pumege. 2 points by number 8. Number 6, Kawali. Arguelles, take a 3 points by number 7. Number 8, Cesaro. Pass to number 16. 2 points by number 16. Number 14, to number 8. Missing 2 points by number 16. Kawali, pull up 3 points by number 6. Wow, basket. Number 23. Pass to number 16. 2 points by number 21. Number 16, Rabiola, pass to number 23. So, Kuya Madong, Dominic. 2 points by number 24. 2 points by number 19. 2 points by number 21. Number 27. No good. Di ba number 19? 2 points. Number 23, Umigot. Pass to number 24. Kuya Badong, pull up 3 points by number 20. Number 8, pass to number 16. Oriol, Pumege. Tumataas sa loob, pass to number 24. 3 points by number 24. 2 points by number 17. 40 seconds. 3 points by number 14. Number 16, Pumege. 2 points by number 16. Number 16, Arguelles. 2 points by number 77. Number 9. Arguelles, take a 3. Number 17. 2 points by number 27. Number 9. Pass to number 17, Baldos, pull up 3 points by number 17. Pass to number 16. How good? You want number 8? 2 points by number 8. Number 27 na ball. 15 to shoot. 3 points by number 77. Pass to Adamos. Adamos pass to number 17. Down number 17. Number 16. Number 8, Cesaro. 2 points by number 8.
Oy! Offensive yun ah!
Number 23, Lopez, pull up 3 points by number 8. Basket. Game score na ayaw, bola ng maagay. Iba number 14, Adamos, pass to number 77, Arguelles. Pagdalon. 2 points by number 77, Arguelles. Pass to number 17, Pantos, ito na. Number 14, 2 points by number 14, Adamos. Number 27, Layup, 2 points. Number 16, Oriola. Pass to number 21, Regalado, pull up 2 points. Number 27 to number 19. 2 points by number 19. Number 27, nasa total, pass to number 16, Oriola, layup, 2 points. Pass to Naval. To number 19, 2 points by number 19. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Adagos. Pass number 19. 2 boys by number 19. Number 16, Tagalos. Tagalos, Ea. 2 boys by number 16. Pass number 19. Five to shoot. 3 points by number 24. Number 24, Yabano. 2 points by number 24. Number 19. Foul, basket. 19 Baldos. 14 Adamos. 2 points by number 14. 5 seconds. Rebound number 8.
Nakakabon eh. Kami nakakabon eh.
2 points by number 8. 5 to shoot. 2 points by number 27 naman. By number 16, Oriola, bola free. No good.
Ay, gogi.
2 points by 27 naman. Dire-diretso. Pass number 17. 2 points by... Score natin 79-70. Kumigil. Pass number 24, Yamato, bola 3 points by number 24. Number 17. Number 2 is 2 points.
Hi, Coach Damos. Miss you. Magturo.
Sino yung isa doon?
Ball, ikaw ball.
Sino yung isa doon?
Ball, ikaw ball. Maganda.
Tulat, isa pa.
Coach Damo, sana magturo ulit.
Bigay mo!
3 points. To shoot. Two points by number 8. Mongkal number 25. Number 16, Oriola.
Out sila ba magkakaroon?
Pizarro. Ayun, di ba natin? Ball game. Wala ka na lalapit.
Nagkakagulo na naman. Second kaguluhan ako ito. At dahil sa one of the team bida. Na kasi ang nauna eh. Nagkaguluhan ko.
Hindi lang yung nangyari dito.
Pero Lord, kahit
May muntik din kanina.
guys, ito po ang ating status ngayon. Fourth quarter, 88-80. Lamang pa rin ang ating Coach Adamos, pero nagkakaguluhan pa rin. Dahil kay jersey number 19, medyo mainit si jersey number 19 eh. Mainit ang ulo niya. Wala siyang self-control and patience. And dito rin naman na imbis na mapag-usapan ng maayos, wala. Nagpadala sila sa kanilang galit. Antayin na lang natin, update ko na lang kayo guys.